Card 9. Nightmares of Nature. Velvet worms. The velvet worm has the body of a worm, but also has legs as many as 43 pairs to help it close in on prey. A night hunter, this creature moves along the forest floor until a victim is within range, then spits out a deadly glue that eats away at the prey and keeps it from moving. Soon after, the worm is ready to enjoy its feast. Slow and stealthy, even with 86 legs, the velvet worm moves slowly. This can work to the animal's advantage, however, since prey may not even notice the worm until it's too late. Tuned in, the velvet worm's antennae tell the creature all it needs to know about potential prey. These sensory organs telescope out to touch a victim and then quickly retract so not to warn of the attack that's soon to come. Creature features. Order, Onychophora. Size, length up to 6 in. Habitat, tropical forests around the world. Prey, insects and spiders. Lifespan, up to 7 years.
Okay, that's it. Are you ready? Get set. Go!